It is time to go beyond what a smartphone can do. Introducing iPhone 16 Ultra, a complete singular new design with the massive camera upgrade. The fastest chip ever a smartphone and an entirely new category of safety innovation. The rugged yet lightweight titanium case extends to protect the ceramic shield front. Ultra design pushes the boundaries so you can do the same. iPhone 16 Ultra now features a new solid-state haptic button, a new front with the thinner bezel and a 20% similarly dynamic island. The new back design includes a quad camera setup. Ultra comes in four gorgeous colors: silver, deep red, jet black, and Sierra blue. It is a 6.9-inch display with the thinnest bezel on smartphone and a refresh rate of up to 180 Hz. Ultra camera. This is our biggest advancement in camera technology ever. Ultra battery experience an incredibly 30 hours of battery life powered by the M2, the world's most powerful chip. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget subscribe our channel.